Think Apple's calendar app is just for adding birthdays and meetings? iOS 27 completely changes that with AI powered feature that makes scheduling almost effortless. Let me show you what it can do. First, let's start with the new calendar widget. iOS 27 adds extra large widgets that can fill your home screen. Just tap and hold your home screen, go to the edit icon, choose add widget, then search for calendar. You will see the new large calendar widget and just add it and you can see almost everything. Now one of the coolest new feature is Siri's on-screen awareness. For example, if you're reading or looking at an address or an events or anything else and you want to add to your calendar, just say, "Hey Siri, add this to my calendar." And Siri can recognize the information on your screen and create the event automatically. Creating events is also much easier. For example, just say, "Hey Siri, add a meeting with John next Thursday at 2 p.m. at Apple Park." And calendar automatically fills in the title, date, time, and location for you. Another feature you will love is visual intelligence. Just create a new event, tap the visual intelligence button, scan it with your Siri camera, then you will see this add to calendar option. Just go for it, and the event details will automatically be added to your schedule. Apple also added the long-awaited free and busy status. For example, if you're going for a meeting or going for a concert, you can mark the event as free or busy, so it stays on your calendar without making you appear available or unavailable to others. So this is really a great update that makes managing your schedule much easier with the new Siri AI handling so much the work for you. So this is all for today. Thanks for your time.